I think the most important thing an attorney can do is be honest with their client. You have to tell your client what they need to hear, not what they want to hear. So when somebody comes in, they present me with a factual legal situation, I have to analyze it. I have to recognize what the issues are, and I have to give my honest opinion to that client immediately so that they have reasonable expectations, that they know what's likely to come out of their case based on the facts and based on the law. And I just always pride myself on telling somebody the truth. I think sometimes people probably tell clients or potential clients what they want to hear instead of what they need to hear in order to get the case or get the money. And I think that ends up being a bad thing for the lawyer and the client, because later on the client's disappointed and said, well, this didn't turn out like you told me it was going to. And then the lawyer's forced to blame it on some other factor like, well, I don't know why the judge ruled that way. But if you're an experienced attorney and you can look at the facts objectively and you apply the law objectively, you ought to have a pretty good idea how it ought to turn out in front of a judge or even with a mediator in a domestic relations case, or how it would turn out with a jury or a judge in a criminal setting, or what a jury might think in a personal injury case or a wills and estates, a will contest. So I think you got to tell your client the truth from the jump, create realistic expectations. And if somebody doesn't want to hear the truth, then I just say, well, I'm not your lawyer.